Hello, and thank you for watching. I'd like to demonstrate a restored flare gun weapon for Half-Life 2 modifications. The flare gun has two firing modes. Primary fire is a normal shot, but secondary fire fires a flare nearby to use as a light source. I should take a moment to mention that the assets in this video are placeholders only. I'm using a red colored pistol because I don't have a custom model for the flare gun yet. The flare gun is present in Half-Life 2's code, and I'm certainly not the first person to implement it, but I wanted to distribute it so that other modders can use it in their maps. The primary purpose of the flare gun is to ignite props and NPCs. Zombie enemies can still fight the player while they're on fire, so it presents a challenge of timing to ignite the zombies and then keep them distracted while they burn, or evade them. Like I alluded to earlier, flares can be used not only in combat, but also as a light source to light up a path in a dark room. I would recommend mappers not use this excessively because dark areas can become frustrating to the player. Unlike headcrabs and zombies, the Combine soldiers are stunned when they are ignited. Because of this, I would recommend mappers use flare gun ammunition more sparingly in maps that heavily feature Combine soldiers and civil protection officers. The flare gun will not ignite friendly NPCs. There's one last feature of the flare gun weapon that I'd like to talk about. The flare gun will ignite NPCs and props, but it will not set the environment on fire. However, if a mapper wants to use the flare gun as a puzzle element, you can use triggers to detect flares. In this case, I've used a trigger multiple, some fires, an ambient generic, and a light to create the illusion that this puddle of gasoline has lit on fire when I shot it with a flare. The fires will go out eventually, and they can be relit by the player. Thank you for watching. There's more information about my code modifications for Half-Life 2 in the description of this video, and please leave a comment and let me know what you thought. Thanks.